Hi everyone, welcome back to the nodejs tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about middleware. Middleware functions are functions that have access to the request object, the response object, and the next middleware function in the application request response cycle. The next middleware function is commonly denoted by a variable named next. In Express, we can use application level middleware and route level middleware. So let's see application level middleware first. So go to the index.js file and just click on index.js file, and here just add middleware with app. So just write here add app dot set sorry app dot use, and here just pass the function. Inside the function, pass three parameters. First is a request, second response, and third one is next. Okay. Alright, inside this function, just print the time on console. So just write here console.log time and call the date function date dot now. Okay, and call the next method. Alright, now save the file and now let's run. So go to the console and just run the index.js file. So just type here node space index.js. Okay, now press enter. Alright, Express is running on localhost 3000. So go to the browser and here just type localhost colon 3000. Okay, and press enter. You can see here the time. Okay, if I change the route, let's say route is /about localhost 3000 about, press enter. You can see here the about page and you can see here the time. Okay, so middleware is applied on whole application. Now let's see the route level middleware. For that, go to the index.js file and let's add the route on about. Okay, route middleware just here on the about route. Okay, so just add here next. Okay, and inside this method, this route, just print the time. So just write here console dot log and just print the time date dot now. All right, and remove this middleware. So just comment out. All right, now save the file and let's rerun the index.js file. So go to the command prompt and just stop. So just pressing Ctrl+C and now type here node space index.js. Press enter. Alright, now go to the browser and just refresh the page. You can see here middleware is working here. Now change the URI. Let's say contact. Okay, contact your route middleware is not working. Okay, so in this way you can use middleware. So that's all about middleware. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.